It seems like you're inquiring about common reasons someone might not be earning or making money on YouTube. It's important to note that YouTube monetization can be complex and may vary depending on various factors. Here are some common reasons why a channel might not be generating revenue. Not part of the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. You need to apply and be accepted into the YPP to earn money through YouTube's main monetization features. This requires meeting certain criteria, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Content doesn't meet YouTube's guidelines. YouTube has strict policies about the content that can be monetized. If your videos contain copyrighted material, offensive content, or anything else against YouTube's guidelines, they may be ineligible for monetization. Lack of monetization strategies. If you're not utilizing all available monetization methods, such as ads, memberships, merchandise, etc., you might be missing out on potential revenue streams. Low traffic or engagement. A low number of views and engagement can lead to minimal ad revenue. Building a substantial and engaged audience is often a prerequisite for significant earnings. Ad settings and ad blockers. If you're not properly setting up ads on your videos, or if a large portion of your audience is using ad blockers, this can greatly affect your ad revenue. Content type and audience demographics. Certain content and audience demographics may not attract high-paying ads. Incorrect payment information. If you haven't properly set up your payment information or if there's an issue with your linked AdSense account, you may face delays or issues with payments. Limited or no ads. Certain videos may be labeled as limited or no ads due to content that might be considered inappropriate for some advertisers. This reduces the earning potential for those specific videos. High competition and saturation. In highly competitive niches, standing out and attracting a substantial audience can be challenging, leading to reduced earning potential. Global factors. Changes in advertising trends, global economic conditions, and regulatory shifts can also affect YouTube earnings. Making money on YouTube can be challenging and requires understanding and navigating a complex landscape of rules, audience behaviors, and market dynamics.